Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel kinky.ke. My name is Miriam. I hope y'all are doing fine and doing okay and feeling well. So today I'm going to talk about an important subject to me. I'm going to talk about how to enhance your store-bought products that are not working for your hair, and how to make them work for your hair, and how to just make them bomb. Okay, so I call these hair products boosters, but because you don't necessarily need to have them in your hair care, in your product stash, but you can use them to enhance your products, and also you can mix them all up together and just create a new product on its own. So I'm going to show you the products that you're going to need in order to enhance your products. For example, if you find that your deep conditioner is not really moisturizing your hair enough, you can use one of these products. Okay, one of the products that you need in your stash is humectant, a humectant of any form. It can be aloe vera gel, it can be glycerin, or it can be honey. With me, I have honey and glycerin, so I'm going to show you. This is just a regular glycerin that I buy from the supermarket or any beauty supply store. This one, I use it to add to my deep conditioners that are not really working for me, that are not really moisturizing my hair, and it works really well. Also, honey works perfectly well to add that extra punch to my deep conditioner. As you all know, honey and glycerin are humectants, meaning that they draw moisture into our hair. So when you use them in your deep conditioner, you're drawing moisture to your hair, thus moisturizing your hair, and thus making that bad conditioner, that bad deep conditioner, really work for your hair. And also, it's very good for us girls who are low porosity hair, because our hair takes time to get moisture and to retain moisture. So when you add humectants into your regimen, it makes your hair retain moisture, because it will attract those water particles around your hair, thus moisturizing your hair. So it's really good to have a humectant in your regimen. Another product that you're going to need is an oil, of course. If your shampoo is too drying for your hair, you can add an oil onto the shampoo, and that will reduce the stripping effect of the shampoo on your hair. Also, you can pre-poo your hair. Alternatively, when you don't want to add any oil to your shampoos, you can pre-poo your hair using an oil solely, and also it will reduce the stripping effect of the shampoo. So when you're using an oil, you want to use an oil that is moisturizing. Guys, moisturizing oils, not sealants. And these ones are avocado oil, olive oil, or coconut oil. Just use an oil that really works for your hair, or you can just mix them all up together if you want to reap all the benefits of them to your hair. With me here, I have cold pressed avocado oil. This one is what I use to pre-poo my hair. You can use it, you can add it to your shampoos, or you can add it to your deep conditioners if you want, if your deep conditioner does not have any oil added to it, if it's a bad conditioner, that is. Another thing that you can use to enhance your leave-in spritz or whatever that you have is glycerin, and this one, rose water. I love this brand because it is readily available in our supermarkets and it's affordable. So this one is what I use to enhance my leave-in conditioners, my spritz, my moisturizing spritz. And also I use it to make my own spritz altogether. I can mix that rose water with glycerin and aloe vera juice, because aloe vera juice, I don't have an aloe vera juice here because I get it from the garden and just make it all natural like that. So I can show you a leaf, because I make a batch that I'm going to use for 1 week, and then I just throw it away, because I don't want to use products that are rancid on my hair. Okay, so that is what you can use to enhance your leave-in conditioner, and also you can use it to make your own natural leave-in conditioner. Another product that you can use to enhance your deep conditioner is this one, coconut milk. This one you can use it to just make your own deep conditioner, or add it to your deep conditioner. Also, if you don't want to use, because this one, once you open it, you have to use it. You have to use it within, I think 2 days while refrigerating it. So when you don't want that hassle of that, you can buy coconut cream powder, which will just, there's a recipe here. I think you're supposed to mix 50 grams of this with 100 milliliter of water. So we'll just use it according to what you want to use. So you can use this to enhance your deep conditioners. Also, you can use it to make your own deep conditioner. Just adding this one with honey and oil, and you're good to go. Your hair will be moisturized and it will retain moisture. So you'll be fine with that. Another product that I know most of you guys maybe may have not known is this one. It's called fenugreek powder. This one is an Indian spice, and it's used to make Indian cuisines and stuff like that. But it's also good for our hair because it is packed with proteins, it has minerals, calcium, copper, iron. All these things are good for our hair. They always say that if it's good for your stomach, it's good enough for your hair. So you can use it to make your own deep conditioner, and also you can use it to enhance your deep conditioners if you want that extra protein in your deep conditioners. So guys, that's all I have for you today. I hope you learned a lot from this video. If you did, please share this video to your friends so that they can also be in the know of these products. These things are easily available in the market, and they're also super affordable, so you won't break a bank when you're getting them. I hope that you liked this video, and please subscribe to this video and like it so that YouTube can know that this content is helpful to people, so that many people can be reached with this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye guys, and God bless you. Bye.